Okay, and here is really this my aftermarket part, and this is probably made in China, and I can think that this can last like a couple of months or a couple of years, but not so many years than that one. This one has been last now 16 years. Think about that, and 200,000 miles. This is the Denso, and this is the Chinese aftermarket thing. But let's check that. I believe that when I install that in here, in position, and first thing is that there are two issues. Okay, and now when I am using like non-original coil, this connector is difficult to install in here. Now it goes finally, and this is like more tight. It seems that it don't go so deep. It is like a little bit up. That means this coil is like a little bit longer. But let's see that what happens, and then I install this my locking bolt. Okay, now locking bolt is in position, and now I believe that if everything goes nicely, this my defect code is away. And let's go to inside cabin area next.